What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove the URL or domain redirect on your GoDaddy website or domain name. Now a redirect, you might want to use a redirect if you are like redirecting to a new domain name or to your like new website, and setting it up on GoDaddy is pretty easy. Now to remove it, of course you need to have it set in the first place. I'll show you how to do it. Here I'm on my GoDaddy dashboard, and you need to go to your products here, and let's say this is the domain name and that I want to like remove the forwarding from. Just go to DNS, or you can go to manage and then find the DNS option. However, I'll just click on DNS right away, and once you're in the DNS settings, click on forwarding, and here you should have your forwarding or redirect options. Now if you set your forwarding here to a certain domain, here you need to add your forwarding, so I'll just add it for the sake of this video. Let's say I want to redirect to google.com or just any domain. Okay, now it is saved, and now once someone enters my URL or my domain name, howtosimple.site, they'll be redirected to google.com. Now to delete this action or to remove it, simply go here to the bin icon to delete or remove the forwarding. Okay, delete, and just like that the forwarding or the redirecting is now deleted.